Hey guys, I hope you're well and I hope you're all doing good and I hope you're staying positive. I've got a tutorial video for you for your house drill, okay? Now there's 3 key things to remember here. Legs, a nice stance, a little bit wider than your hips. You want to, 1, make sure you're dancing on your toes. So you don't want to be on your heels and you don't want to be flat feet, okay? So toes. Then secondly, you want to bend your knees. So you've always got a bounce here. So bending the knees, excellent. And then 3, I want to make sure that you use your arms, okay? So you never want to be like this when you're doing house. It's free, just move them. You can either do a wipe and a swipe, or you can do T-Rex arms here, okay? Or just really free and here and do what you want to do with those, okay? So, first of all, we're going to start with a basic jack. You got bend your knees, waist goes forward, chest comes up. From the side, you got knees, waist, chest. Up to speed, it goes knees, waist, chest. Excellent. Now we're going to do 1-8 of those. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Excellent. Next move, we're going to move on to a pas de bourrée. So you're going to take your right leg behind and we're going to go slow. Now with these, you want to keep a bounce as well. So you're going to go behind, side, step, and behind, side, step. Okay, so that goes 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Now I don't want it to look like this with no bounce. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So make sure you get that in, okay? Then after you've done your slow pas de bourrées, you're going to go into quick pas de bourrées. You're going to go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Now I understand a few of you are a little bit newer to dance, so the quick ones will be a bit more of a challenge for you, but just practice, okay? And that's what this video is for. So from the top up to there, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Slow 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Quick pas de bourrée. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to move on to a stomp. You're going to pick up your right knee. You want to jack at the same time. So you're going knees, waist, chest. You've got 1. Put it down, down, open. Okay, so we're going to go slow first. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, hold 4. Then your right leg, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Then you're going to retreat to the side. You're going to pick up your right leg and you're going to go to the right. 1, 2, 3, hold 4. Other side with your left leg. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now they are slow, but when we do this, I want you guys to do quick ones. So you finish your quick pas de bourrées, then you're going to go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. From here, you're going to move on to your shuffles. Now with a shuffle, all you're doing is you're going parallel with your heels. Heels, toe, heels. Then back to the front, heel, toe, heels. Up to speed, heel, toe, heel, heel, toe, heel. And that's called a shuffle. Moving on, you're going to go to a tic-tac-toe. Now with this one, you can relax your arms as you use them. You take them up, you go right heel, 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 down, down. Then you step forward, you turn forward, heel, heel, down, down. All right? So from the side, after your shuffles, you've got tic-tac-toe and tic-tac-toe-o. Let's go from the top up to there. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Slow pas de bourrée. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Double time. 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Stomp. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Retreat. 5 and 6, 7, 8. Shuffle back, shuffle front. Tic-tac-toe, tic-tac-toe-o. Keeping up? I hope so. Then you're going to do a skate. Now with your skate, your hands are here, fists. You're going down into a plie. Then you're going to pick up your left knee and you're going to take the body over to the knee. Then you scoop down, so that's 1, 2, 3, and a 4. Again, 5 and a 6. Now on the last one, you're going to step 7, hold 8. Then it's going to take you into happy feet, which is a crisscross. So you're taking your right leg in front, you're going happy feet, and then you jump on both heels, reach forward, heels, and then to your toes. Okay, so from here, 7, 8, happy feet, and out, in. And then to finish that, you're going to do a dip, then you're going to come up, and you're going to do jack, 7, 8. All right, so from the skates now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, happy feet, 3, 4, down, dip, jack, 7, 8. Very good. And then the last part, some of you have done this, some of you haven't. This is called a jack in the box. Now, remember what I said about being on your toes? You're going to come toes and your knees are going in and out. With your upper body, I just want you to relax it. Take your shoulders here, here. So from the side, I'm like this. Then you're going to, again, free arms, free hands, groove, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's called a jack in the box. We can do everything one more time, all together with no music. Then we're going to go with music. A 5, 6, from the top we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, jack, 6, 7, slow pas de bourrée. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, double time. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, stomp we go. 1 and 2, 3, retreat. 5 and 6, 7, 8, shuffle. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, tic-tac-toe, and skate. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Happy feet, in and dip, and jack in the box, jack in the box, jack in the box, jack in the box. So good, okay? Practice that.